We go to Washington now, where the confirmation battle for President Trump's Supreme Court nominee begins today. Judge Brett Kavanaugh on the spotlight just weeks ahead of the midterm election. The battle could shape the court for decades. Our senior national correspondent Terry Moran is tracking it all. Good morning, Terry.
Good morning, George. The hearing's begun with a bang. It's a Donnybrook down there. The first thing that happened, the Democrats tried to take control of the hearings. They say they can't do their jobs because thousands of documents that the committee has requested from Kavanaugh's record are being withheld or have been edited. And every few seconds, there's been a huge protest out there by members of the audience. It just all goes to show you how high the stakes are in this hearing. This morning, Judge Brett Kavanaugh entering the arena, facing the Senate Judiciary Committee for 4 days of high-stakes hearings. But Democrats won't go down without a fight.
We cannot possibly move forward, Mr. Chairman,
I
with this
extend
hearing.
a very warm welcome
We have not been
Judge
given
Kavanaugh,
an opportunity to have a meaningful
his wife,
hearing.
To advise,
Mr. Chairman, regular order is called for.
which turns this hearing into a charade and a mockery of our norms.
Well,
and Mr. Chairman, I therefore move to adjourn this hearing.
okay.
Blasting the White House for blocking access to 100,000 pages of documents from Kavanaugh's time as a close aide to President George W. Bush. And overnight, a document dump at the 11th hour. Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer tweeting, the Senate was just given an additional 42,000 pages of Kavanaugh documents the night before his confirmation hearing. This underscores just how absurd this process is.
It really raises the question, what is it that they're trying to hide here?
Chief among Democrats' concerns right now is what role Kavanaugh might play if the Supreme Court hears cases involving investigations of President Trump, such as the Mueller probe.
He chose the candidate who he thought would best protect him from the Mueller investigation.
But the real issue is how Kavanaugh's confirmation could reshape the Supreme Court for decades, cementing a 5-4 conservative majority, replacing the swing vote of the retired Justice Anthony Kennedy. In his remarks today, Kavanaugh is expected to honor the retired justice as a mentor, a friend, and a hero, as well as a model of civility and collegiality. But Kavanaugh will face fierce questions about how he may differ from Kennedy on a host of issues that affect millions of Americans. At the top of that list, abortion, though he has previously said he'd respect the precedent.
I would follow Roe v. Wade faithfully and fully. That would be binding precedent in the court.
So you can already see what a fight it is on the Senate floor. The Republicans will probably have one more vote, the late Senator John McCain's seat, to be filled by a Republican almost certain to vote for Kavanaugh. George?
Thank you, Terry. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.